On this special occasion of the Tibetan New Year, Losar, I would like to extend my warm greetings to His Holiness the Dalai Lama and to all the Tibetan people around the world. May the Tibetan culture and Buddhist tradition, which is based on the concept of love and compassion for all, forever prevail. India has always taken great pride in being the land where the Buddha Dharma originated. In a world ravaged by suffering and conflict, the Buddhist values of compassion, non-violence, and warm-heartedness serve as a beacon of light and are more relevant today than ever before. Therefore, it is my hope that we will all strive to heed the Buddha's teachings and find inspiration in them, just as two great Indian leaders, Mahatma Gandhi and Baba Sahib Ambedkar, did in their lifetime. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Losar. Thank you.